would you like to start an online business with no monthly expenses? How awesome would that be? Hey, so when you invest in the Digital Legacy Builder program, you have a one-time investment of either $100, $300, $600, or $900, one of the 4 programs that you invest in. Then you have a one-time website fee of $29. After that, there are no other expenses. You can grow your following, you can grow your system organically, so you don't need to pay money to boost your, if you want to, that is completely up to you, but you build your own following through the step-by-step process of a proven system. The no monthly expenses. How awesome is that? So if you're working a job right now, outside of the home, you need to pay for fuel. What else would need? Maybe meals if you don't pack your own. So those are 2 expenses, right? That you have to purchase or want to purchase. Gas you would probably have to purchase in order to get to your job and back. But with digital marketing, you can work from home wherever you have Wi-Fi. There's no other expenses except your one-time investment and your website fee. If you are ready to get started in your online business, put ready in the comments and let's chat.